Born free as the willows, as free as the grass grows. Born free to follow your heart. Be free, the beauty surrounds you. The world still astounds you. It's time you look at the stars. Stay free, where no words divides you. Born free as the world in your heart. Born free, and life is worth living, but only worth living 'cause you're born